Sometimes we would like to iterate column by column, not row by row. So let's say we have the data and would like to compute the average per subject. So we have 4 subjects here like math, science, and so on. Assuming for a while that all of the columns are equal in the number of items, 4, 4, 4, 4. Now, to iterate here, it will not be so Pythonic. By the way, sometimes in a very informal way. The I and J are convention for row and column, sometimes R and C. So sometimes I use that for only simplicity, for only educational purposes. But in industry, you better use sometimes like a better naming. Anyway, we would like to iterate column by column. So I'm iterating for J for a column over the length of list of 0. List of 0 is this list, the length of it is 4 for 4 columns. Then you start to iterate over every row according to the length of list of lists, and then sum all of the items and then dividing by the list. The code is definitely not Pythonic at all. I would like you to take like 5 to 10 minutes, try with what we learned already during the course to find your way to make it in a single line of code. Remember the asterisk operator for the unpacking. If you have 3 lists like that and you printed asterisk grades, it will separate all of this list as 3 separate arguments. Now the zip take every list of them and generate for you an iterator. So in the first step it will give you 156 as a tuple, then 268 as a tuple, and then it will stop because this list is done at the moment. We can use the unzipping here to help us. Specifically, we will for every tuple in the zip asterisk lists. I'm using tuple because I'm not sure how many ones will come back to me, and I'm not sure about the length of the lists. So for every tuple in the list of list, come back for me, and then dividing the sum of the tuple of the length of the tuple will be the answer. We can also merge all these 4 lines in a single line of code with list comprehension. So to do that, we just can do something like return for every tuple here, just return the sum of tuple over length of tuple. That's all. Tips: if you would like to iterate row by row, just use the normal way for row in lists. That's all. If you would like to iterate column by column, for column in zip asterisk lists, we'll do the trick. That's all.